Guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to share a very quick yet helpful video for you. So I'm going to show you how to make a pad pocket in your underwear so you don't have to get trouble in public. So the very first thing, guys, choose any of your panty or anything, and then you're going to take the piece of a fabric, and the measurement of the fabric is only 6 inches, and 6 inches is enough to make the pocket. So I'm going to attach it with my underwear, and this is a really, I hope this video will be very helpful for you and in your period time. So just keep watching, guys. So the very first thing, guys, I am going to attach it with my leg holes of my underwear, and as you can see, you can do it in your back side as well. So I'm going to do it in my front side. So I am going to attach this pocket with my underwear, and I'm going to sew this with the leg holes. And also you can do it in the back side. And guys, also use a chain for more safety. I have attached a chain. Later I forget to record it on my video, but I have attached a chain as well. So as you can see that I'm going to stitch it, and it's done. It's super easy and super quick as well. So it's done, guys. Now take a pad and you can just use this pocket, and this is a really very good idea for your fair time in public.